Hello everyone, my name is Marvelous Ogunleke, and today I'm going to explain to you how I design a digital clock with my phone. So now I'm going to add on to the app that I'm going to use. It is called Thread Edit. So you can get it from Play Store. Play Store type Thread Edit here. Please Thread Edit and download it. Download it. Download and install it. So now let's go to the app. So with this app do you can code HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything about front end design and development or back end. You can do basically most of the program. You can run it from this app. So now let's start with a new file. Well, let's go to our HTML now. With this app, one of the basic things, it has a snippet, which is HTML snippet, which will give you all the body of HTML. This is HTML snippet. So now we have basically everything we need. So we don't need to input them again now. Let's change the title to digital clock. Now our body, we need a head, is like a topic box. So some function are here, so we don't need to do much work. So now that is to be digital clock. That will be like our heading. So now after our heading, what next? We need a place where our program will be showing, where the time will be showing, and that will be a paragraph. So now paragraph. For this paragraph, it should be an empty paragraph, and we're just going to input our ID inside. So ID to be equals to, so we can use this one. So our ID should be equals to clock. Forget to use clock for ID. Now we are done with our HTML files. So we are going to run a JavaScript now. And in this JavaScript, I'm still going to put it inside our HTML file. So we don't need to stress ourselves too much work. Okay. So now let's write our script. Yeah, I know there is a script. So this is script method. So just put stuff that we're going to put in our script. And now in our script, we are going to put a function which is update clock. This update clock will help us to update the clock every time. Help us to update the clock every time. So that is it. Now these are the stuff that we do in the update clock. We are going to get everything that we need. We need the time at that moment that you run the program. So let's now to be equals to new date. So it's going to run a new date. We're going to bring out the exact time. So now let hour, this is how we are going to generate the hour to be equals to, so this is the code to generate hour. Now dot get capital letter H, hour, hours, then put the bracket inside, then don't forget semicolon to continue. So let minute to be equals to now dot get minute, let seconds to be equals to, so now this is all we need, and from here you can move forward to let's first display this function. So to display this function, we need to call back this update clock, and that is in JavaScript. What do we use? Just put document dot get capital letter E element by, which will capital letter E, and IT capital letter ID to be what we input here, which is clock. We said our ID should be clock, so we are going to input the same thing here again. And now we want this paragraph to change to our time. So, and in JavaScript, what we use is inner text. So this inner capital letter text. So this capital letter text, now press equals to, then in JavaScript there's a symbol which they use. It is this symbol. This symbol will help you to input. Let's see how it goes first. So this dollar sign hour, because we want to input our hours, our minutes, our seconds that we put in, we want to put it inside our document. So that is how why we use this sign first, and then we use that sign first. So now let's put our hours inside. Then after hours, can add your semicolon, your column. So another, which is minutes. So minutes, semicolon, and column again, dollar sign, and seconds. That's it. These are our variables that we input here. So to input our variable and for it to work, we use dollar signs. So now all we need to put is the semicolon. And after the semicolon, you can end the function. Now we need to set the interval. Set interval. We want it to be updating every time. So that is this is how you call the function out. Set the interval to update clock. I use capital letter C. So update clock, comma, as what time do you want it to be updating? So for me, it should be 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. So in 1 second, it is going to bring, you know, our digital clock is going to be changing every second. So every 1000 milliseconds is going to change to 1 second, to 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. So it will be counting. So that's it. So now I are done with that. So there's now another thing that we need to do. And so we are already done with our HTMLs and CSS. But when we have hours that are less than 10, maybe 9, maybe 8, there should be 0 at the front. Because if you run it now, let's say how it will. This is 13,125. So 26, the second that is counting. It's supposed to be 0, 1. So how are we going to put 1 inside and 0 at the front? So that's what I'm going to do now. Now from this place, let's put a let me put the comment here. Add 0, leading 0. Yeah, once we're adding 0 at the front. Now start from hours. So for hours, if the hours is less than 7, so hour less than 10, what should we do? So instead of writing if hours is less than 10, add a 0 in the front of it. I'm just going to use question mark. So question mark will help us solve this problem. Is the shorthand statement for it. It's part of the ternary operator. So now when you use a question mark, you need to put the 0 that we want to be putting at the front. Then we should add hours to it. Semicolon, hours to it. Now when you are done with this one, then you just need to put semicolon. So let's go to minutes. Same thing. Okay. Minute less than 10. Question mark 0 plus minutes in second. Say question. Seconds less than 10. Question mark 0. Then plus second. Okay. Second. Now we are done with every single thing that we need. Now let's run it. So now you can see this is 130508. You can see the 0 at the front and at the back. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I would like to see you in my next video. Let me like this video, comment on your option, your objectives, what you love about this program that I just written, and also subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends so that this video can reach more and more people. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.